I know I'm not the only one who hates failing. The type of person that when I do something, I want it to be in its best quality. Kaso sa business at sa content creation, hindi uso yun. It's honestly something that took me time to learn. Imagine ninyo, I started Tushik during my early 20s and I lost a 6-figure investment agad. Masyado akong maraming in-order na stocks kahit wala akong customer base. Tapos sa content creation naman, nung first 2 years ko, I really wasn't profitable. Dami kasing nagko-compare online when they see content creators, they always assume that everyone is earning like Kong, like Niana. Newsflash, we don't. Hindi yun sa type of content that you create sa mga brand collaborations mo. So, nung umpisa, ang hirap talagang lunukin ng katotohanan na kahit gaano ka pa kasipag, kahit gaano ka pa kagaling, magkakamali at magkakamali ka. Tapos nirereklamo ko yun sa mga 8-figure to 9-figure entrepreneur na mga friends ko. At isa talaga sa mga tumatak sa akin na sinabi nila, sometimes you really just need to make mistakes because it means that you're trying. And hitting rock bottom helps you to build your foundation. Kaya instead na matakot kang sumubok at magkamali, failures mo, gamitin mo motivation na at least meron kang ginagawa. At least sinisimulan mo. Kaya kung nag-fail ka, huwag ka matakot sumubok.